All right, to say I burned the midnight oil on this job is an understatement. I burned the midnight oil, many times on this one just because it seemed like every step I took, you took one step back. Guys, what's going on? We've got another bathroom renovation here. Dave Doc DIY, this is a pretty cool one. Look at this skylight going on up here. So here's the layout of our bathroom here. Mirror, vanity. This vanity is going to be turning into a wider vanity with some shelves going on up here. We're going to be taking out this shower here, adding a waterproof shower, possibly a curbless shower. We're going to have a half wall back here with glass, and then we are going to have our toilet staying in the same place. Now there's a lot of interesting stuff going on in this bathroom here. We've got a little bit of interesting electrical going on. We've got some interesting plumbing that existed, and in this closet we've got electrical and water lines and stuff, so there's a lot that needs to be cleaned up here. All this tile is going to be taken out completely from these half walls here. We're going to be taking out the floor. This wall is going to be extended a little bit. Essentially, we are doing a little bit of everything on this bathroom. So let's get it started. This might be kind of like a vlog style. I'm using my old camera for this. I'm like, you know what? I got to give my old camera a little bit of love here. So let's see how it goes.
Buzz Lightyear to Star Command. Come in, Star Command. There seems to be no sign of intelligent life anywhere.
Alright guys, here's an update of where we're at, and you can see I got our half wall out here with some nice chunks, but I was suspicious of this. We've got an extremely thick floor here, so that's not going to be fun to get out. And I'm going to admit I have no clue what this contraption is. It might be a vent, very old school vent that's tied in. I mean, with 1/2-inch copper, that's a little weird to me. But yeah, all this plumbing is going to have to get cleaned up, and it's actually going to be going on the opposite wall over there. So I'm not going to go crazy and wear myself down today. I'm still in discovery mode here. So we got our mirror down, we've got vanity out, we've got toilet out. Still got to figure out whatever the heck this is. No clue what that is. Definitely glad that this was chosen to be renovated because it needed it. We're going to keep plugging away here. Alright guys, we're almost done here for the day. I'm pretty happy with the progress I've made so far on this. The main thing is I just want to get a little bit of this wall out here so I can have my vision, because this shower is going to be extended a little bit. I want to get a better view of what's going on in the ceiling above here so we can raise that up for the new shower. We're about to mask up, do a little bit of tile demo, a little bit of nasty stuff. Again, we're not going to go too hard today. We got a lot more demo to do tomorrow. We've got a thick floor in here, so we're just going to demo this wall and call it a day. Alright guys, as you can see, all of our tile is gone. So just time for a little bit of cleanup. Then we're going to hit the walls tomorrow. Definitely a very successful first day here. Really happy with it. Really happy with it. Did a little extra cleaning in here just so I'm not going to have a mess when I get here tomorrow to do all these tiles. So it's going to be a fun one. We've got this extremely thick floor As you can see, it's probably about 1.5 inches thick. So that'll be fun. We've got some floors down. Floors down, plumbing. Half wall going up. Ready for shower base, shower valve, and walls tomorrow. There's our toilet section. .48-inch half wall. And then this will get some Schluter Ditra. We put in a very late one tonight. Alright, here's another update. We've got drywall up. We've got our switches in here, which this will be getting patched up. Not good right there. Yeah, here's our light fixture, where that's going to be. I'm going to swap out this fan soon. And then we've got our ceiling drywall up, which that was not easy. So now we're going to throw our shower valve in. Our half wall has the drywall up too, as you can see. So bathroom vlog days later. This thing's coming together. Floor's looking good. Had a little drywall crack right there. That'll get fixed too. A little mud magic. But yeah, we're looking good here. Looking good, looking clean. Very close to setting our shower base here and doing our shower valve. Getting these walls up. Another thing I gotta say, working with a skylight in the bathroom is excellent. I hardly have to ever set up any lighting or anything in here at all. Getting that natural light all day, it's pretty nice. It takes a while till you need to turn a light on. Alright, as you can see, it's a little darker in here because the sun is going down, but we got our first coat of spackle done in here. Looking good. Over here. And we've got our shower valve in. Now, this is a little crazy here, but if I can catch an angle where I don't have to use a 90 on my cold, I'm going to do it. And of course, our stud was dead center here. So we had to notch, re-support everything up. I'm actually going to throw another 2x4 in here, but sometimes that's how it's got to go, especially with PEX. So shower valve is good to go. Going to do a little water test. Call it a night. Right after that video, I was looking at this shower valve. Realized that this is supposed to be up here. I put a bunch of these in. Don't know how I didn't notice it. Was just having such a hard time making it fit. Was happy to make it fit. It's upside down. We'll figure it out. Alright, a lot has happened since the last time you saw this bathroom. We've got tile down in here. I'm working on setting our vanity. Gonna pull this out and center it. We've got our lights in here. Right now I have a lot of my tools in the closet. We're gonna be working on trim, getting our toilet in. Shower is complete. As you can see, I gotta do my trim around the door. Trim is gonna butt right up to this edge here, going right down to where our curb is. Tile is looking awesome. It's gonna be getting a custom glass door installed on it, so this bad boy is really coming together here. We've got our light in up there. We've got our fan for the shower, moisture, all that fun stuff. Light switches, dimmers, paddle switches, looking good. GFI protected outlets here. Time to get working on our vanity and the faucets in here. I just got back from a 10-day, 11-day vacation out on the West Coast, so I'm a little thrown off. Definitely woke up a little bit late today, but happy to get back to work and finish up this bathroom. Probably the next video will be this thing finished, so we'll continue this little short clip vlog of this bathroom progress on my old camera. Everything's looking great here. I can't wait to see his bathroom running. Alright, it's the day I've kind of been waiting for. Today I'm going to wrap up this vlog. There's still some things that'll get done in this bathroom after I leave it, but I kind of want to just throw this together and see what it looks like. Final night, random vlog, old camera. Here we go. I'm going to show you the bathroom. All right, here is our double vanity right here. Plenty of shelf space in here, as you can see. Here's our nicely tiled floor. Everything came out great. Now, beautiful mirror. I'm a big fan of this mirror, actually. I think it really just brings the whole room together, goes with everything perfectly. My lights might be screwing this up a little bit here, sorry. We have dimmers on all the lights. Wait, wrong dimmer. We have dimmers on all the lights here. So that's nice. You don't want it to be too bright at nighttime. You don't have to worry about it now. This was the final step today, was putting in this bifold mirror door. We have our toilet over here. Did a little bit of custom trim work on the back of our half wall of the shower here. Here's what we got in the closet. Cleaned everything up here. There's going to be shelves that'll be getting put in, but this thing opens nice and smooth. It was a bit of an odd door opening size, so that's what we had to deal with there. And here's our shower. The shower came out awesome, super happy with it. There's an example of our shower running. It's a beautiful, beautiful sight. You can switch to the handheld as well. So my battery is ticking on my camera, which means it's time for me to go. I gotta put the door up here, but that's it for this, guys. That's it for this video. My camera's gonna die. Hope you enjoyed it. Follow Dave DIY.